What's up, everybody? Another good day. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, like insanely high. Like I can't even believe how ridiculous high it is. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently at $18,263. On some exchanges, it is up to nine. I've seen 19,000. If you want to buy Bitcoin with cash to Bitcoin is what they call it. That they charge a lot more. Like there's websites like Paxful. There's also those ATM machines you can find. You can like look up Bitcoin ATMs near me on like Google, and it'll come up with ATMs. If you happen to have any near you, I have like quite a few within a few miles of me, and yeah, they are charging about 19,000 and more for their Bitcoin. So it's just insane. This stuff has finally exploded. How far can it go? I don't know. All I can say is from here, all I can see it going is like exponentially up. And I mean, it's already going up exponentially. It's already going up parabolically. But man, John McAfee warned us that this could hit 500,000 and maybe more. And could you imagine if it ends up being as big as the dot-com bubble, where the market cap was like $6 trillion? We're only at what, 300 billion, 400 billion. We're at 500. I started at 500 billion on coin market cap. Let's refresh the page here. Okay, coin market cap. It is at a total of well, it went down. I know at one point it was at 500 billion US dollars. Insane. Completely insane. All the other altcoins are down, obviously. That is the correlation we see with Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin goes up, altcoins crash. When the strategy I've been using recently is every time Bitcoin goes up, I buy altcoins. I use my Bitcoin that's high, I exchange it to altcoins when the altcoins are down 10, 20%. And once Bitcoin has a pullback, that's when all the altcoins go up. And then that's when I switch back to Bitcoin, and I kind of try to trade like that, because luckily there's that correlation for some reason. People kind of like tend to move their money, and so I just move it the opposite way, and it kind of works out. So yeah, as you can see, Litecoin is down to $97 after being up to like 103 at one point. The only coin that I see that has gone up is like Ripple, surprisingly. I have this subscription to Ripple. Let me pull it up for you guys in case anyone's interested. It's like a Ripple like newsletter type of thing. Let me show you what it's called. It's called like Ripple, not Ripple Insider, but where is it? Anyways, yeah, it's like a Ripple Insider, and what it said is that they locked in a bunch of Ripple, like a huge supply of Ripple. Here you go. It's called Ripple Insights. If you want, go online, look it up. Ripple Insights. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it looks something like that. And so it says right here, 55 billion Ripple lockup is complete. Ripple escrows 55 billion Ripple. XRP is the name of the currency, the cryptocurrency for Ripple, the blockchain, for supply predictability. So it's essentially what it says is that they locked up 55 billion Ripple so that they can kind of steady down the supply, and the price. So what happens is when there aren't whales out there who own a ton of the currency, and this happens in stocks as well. When there's whales out there, people with a lot of money, investors who are very good, when they have a ton and they can influence the market very well, they are able to do things like pump and dumps. They're able to, if they bought early, to just dump a bunch of their whole supply and just cash out once it's gone up a certain amount, and it'll just cause this huge retracement, which then could cause fear, and then it'll snowball effect and all that. So Ripple sent this Ripple newsletter, sent this out, and so I thought that was interesting that Ripple is now up 11%, and it was up a little more earlier. So that's that. BitConnect. BitConnect, that's insane. BitConnect is up to $426. It is up 15%. That is insane because BitConnect is a scam. The only reason BitConnect is still around is, okay, look, I'm gonna let you guys know the honest truth. So you can possibly make money off BitConnect still because it seems like they're planning to play the long-term game. They're trying to they are going for, okay, we see that the future of crypto is huge. We might actually get away with stealing a lot more money. We're talking maybe billions rather than millions, right? So here's the thing. BitConnect has a market cap of $1.3 billion. That means that the owners of BitConnect are holding the majority of this. I mean, if not all of it. And the scary thing is that if this is the case and they are just getting more and more people signing up because they're advertising more, they're having all their influencers go to their parties and show all these things. See, here's the reason why BitConnect hasn't fallen. Since their market cap is so big because so many people have invested into it, they are actually able to pay out the people right now. So do not get caught up with this, oh, because it's still around, it's good and it's sustainable. No, 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 no. Just realize so many people are buying into this around the world that they're sustaining it. That's all it is. They're sustaining it. And the more people that come into crypto, the more people that pour in, the more newbies, the more everyone that just comes in, the more people who want to use it legitimately to buy things, the more people who need it because their currency in their country is just shit. This is why you have so many people putting in money, and this is why they're able to still pay out all the people right now. This is also why they ask of you to lock up your money for hundreds and hundreds of days, because they want to just have it locked up so they can pay you as little as possible. They're hoping that by the time they exit scam, when they maybe hit a billion, I don't know, well, I guess, okay, if their market cap's already at a billion, do they have a billion? Well, no, because they've already advertised a ton. They've paid a ton. Let's say out of that 1.3 billion, let's say they actually still have, because that 1.3 billion, it just shows it because it's what they report, that they don't actually have that money stored up to back up the currency. No, they're spending that money. They're buying Lamborghinis and mansions and islands and all this great stuff. And so if they have, out of the 1.3 billion, the people from BitConnect have maybe 600 million, 700 million, maybe even less, I would be surprised. But I think that they have maybe half of the money left, and that's what they're using to slowly pay. But as more people come in, they know that they can, maybe if they keep paying off for a little longer, there's a chance that they will blow up. And if they blow up, they can blow up huge, to the point that when they exit, they could have a market cap of 5, 10, 15, 50 billion dollars, and they would be able to escape with several billion each. So that's a thing to think of. That's scary that Bitcoin, or that BitConnect coin, is up to 426. That's scary. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video. My suggestion: start in buying a ton of altcoins. Buy all the altcoins that are down right now. Once Bitcoin drops and pulls back, we will see a rise in them, and we will see a big pump in all the ones that are here to stay. So I would highly recommend that you start buying altcoins. That's what I'm doing, and let's make some money in the future. All right, I'll see you later.